Good morning to all. In value education, till now we have learned 2 lessons. We have completed with that. Today we'll start with our 3rd chapter, God provides. By the name, what we understood? What you get by the name? The things whichever we get, who provides us? God provides us. Now as we know that value education subject is more about how we have to behave in our life, which are the rules we should follow. By the small stories, it helps us to clear the things. Now first we'll start with the prayer. On the page number 13 we have that. The sun is so bright up in the sky, the moon I see way up high, the soft green grass, the plants, the trees, some special gifts God made for me. All the people that I love are blessed by an Almighty above. My friends, family and teachers are special gifts God made for me. What gift I can give you, God up there in the heaven above? The things you want to the most from me is pure and special love for this. Now I'll start with the lesson. God provides all the things. God provides for all our needs. He is always there for us in our difficult time. He is ready to hear our cries, answers our prayers, protect us from our troubles. What happens if you are in a trouble? What you do? You start doing prayer. You ask for a help. To whom? To the God. But sometimes we do not appreciate all that the God does for us. Many times it happens that if anything good happens, we say कि मैंने ही किया है. We never thank to the God. During time of troubles, our faith is trusted. When we creep and complain and do not pray, we lose faith. We must look around and see that all God has given us, this beautiful world, our family, our daily needs and many other gifts. He has blessed us in so many ways. God gives us strength that helps us through those times when our problems seem enormous. Never lose faith because God is constantly watching us. He has His own ways and purpose of doing whatever He does for us. Now here we have a small story of a king and beggars. Once upon a time there was a genius king. Every day 2 beggars used to come to him in his alm, and he always gave them food and money. On receiving the alm, the older one used to say, God provides, and the other beggar would say, our king provides. Now there were 2 beggars, and the difference was one used to say that our king provides us the thing, and the second one used to say that God provides us. One day the king gave them more money than usual. The older beggar cried out, God provides. This annoyed the king, who thought, I am always feeding him and he keeps saying God provides. This is the time for him to learn who provides. Now what happened? What did the beggar first one say? Whenever he got the money, he said that God provides and he thanked to the God. But king got hurted by that. What king wanted that also say that king is providing. Next day, after he had given some alms, he said the beggars to give a little used road instead of their usual one. He had provided one for you, he said. God will provide for other. What he had done? To one beggar he gave them whatever he wanted to give, and for other he said, now God will give you. He made sure that the one who always praised him went first. He had ordered that the purse for gold he kept on the road in the beggar's path so that he would find it. But as the beggar walked from the road, he wondered why the king had sent him that way. Perhaps he wants me to enjoy the privacy of this road, he thought. It is indeed a beautiful road and so broad one can walk with eyes closed. And he closed his eyes. As a result, he missed seeing the purse. It was spotted and picked up by the older beggar who was coming behind him. The next day the king asked whether they had found anything. The younger beggar said, "Yes, it was beautiful road, but I did not find anything." What happened now? King used to always give money or whatever he wanted to give in their hand. This time the king told to both of the beggars that walk on this road and you'll find something. Go. And what he did to the younger one, there were two beggars. One was young and one was old. The old one used to say, "Ki God provides us." So what king did to the younger one, he told, "You go on the road and see what you see on the road." And behind that he sent the second beggar. Now what that beggar thought कि किंग ने ऐसे बोला है रास्ते पे टहलने के लिए, रास्ता इतना खाली कि मैं आंखें बंद करके भी चलूँगा तो मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा. And he closed his eyes and started walking over there. But what king had done? King had kept one purse with a gold or money in that. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, जब ये यंग वाला बेगर वहाँ से जा रहा था, भिखारी वहाँ से जा रहा था, उसने अपनी आंखें बंद करके गया तो उसे वो नहीं दिखा. बट एट द सेकेंड वन जब वो वहाँ से जा रहा था, ही सॉ दैट बैग बिकॉज ही वॉज वॉकिंग विद द ओपन आई, और उसने वो पिकअप कर लिया. सेकेंड डे किंग आस्क्ड हिम दैट किसी को कुछ मिला क्या कल वो रास्ते पे, यू फाउंड एनीथिंग? So what that younger beggar say? It was beautiful road, but I did not found anything. Why? Because he had closed his eyes. But I did, said the old beggar. उसको मिला तो he said कि मुझे मिला. I found a purse of gold. God provides. What he said? This time God provide. Now the king was even more determined to show the beggar that it was he who provide. Now king got more, he was feeling bad कि अरे मैंने दिया था. How he is saying that God had provided. So he gave a pumpkin to the younger beggar which had been hollowed out and filled with a silver coin. But the beggar did not know that. On the way home he sold it to the baniya for few coins. इस टाइम किंग ने क्या किया, एक पम्पकिन लिया, उसके अंदर उसने सिल्वर कॉइन्स भरे और वो दिया बेगर को. बेगर को क्या लगा कि ये सिर्फ पम्पकिन है, व्हाट आई विल डू विद दैट. सो उसने बनिया को जाके वो बेच दिया. नेक्स्ट डे द किंग आस्क्ड टू द बेगर इफ एनीवन eventful happened the previous day. Nothing, said the younger beggar, except that I earned a few more coin by selling that pumpkin. अभी किंग ने फिर से उसको पूछा कि किसी को कुछ मिला कल जो मैंने पम्पकिन दिया था, क्या हुआ? बट वॉट ही हैड डन, ही थॉट कि इतना बड़ा पम्पकिन मैं क्या करूँगा. उसने बनिया को बेचा और उसको कुछ कॉइन्स मिले. द किंग ट्राइड हार्ड नॉट टू शो हिज डिसमे. एंड यू ही सेड टू द ओल्ड बेगर, डिड यू अर्न मोर देन यूजुअल? और सर्टनली डिड, ही सेड. एज आई वॉज पासिंग बाय द बनिया शॉप he called me and gave me a pumpkin. When I went home and cut it and opened, I found that it was full of silver coins. As I always say, God provides. Thereafter the king gave up trying because now he knew who is real provider. Now what happened? Second time what king did? अगेन उसने एक बड़ा पम्पकिन लिया, उसमें पूरे सिल्वर कॉइन्स भर दिए एंड ही गेव टू द बेगर. बट व्हाट बेगर डिड, ही सोल्ड टू द दैट बनिया. एंड व्हाट दैट बनिया डिड, वो जो सेकेंड बेगर था उसको उसने ये वो दे दिया. एज ही वेंट टू द होम ही ओपन दैट पम्पकिन, ही सॉ अ सिल्वर कॉइन्स इन दैट. And again what that beggar said, God provides him. Now the even kings got the lesson that he is not the provider. If God wish, he can provide to anyone. Now again we have a small 4 lines over here on page number 15. My God, I thank you, who had made the earth so bright, full the splendorous and joy, beauty and light. So from this lesson what we learned, that we should always be thankful. Though whoever gives us anything, we should be thankful to that. Like many things we get, we are gifted by the God, and we should be thankful for that. Now you have to read this lesson once again, and question answers will be sent to you. Thank you.